Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here with a very special reason. So last year in 2019, on the very same date I uploaded my first ever video lecture. So it is the same date, yes, it is the first year anniversary, and today I'm very happy to announce that we all have grown as a family together. You all gave me your love, your support, your blessings. I want to thank all of you, those who have ever watched me, those who were there with me from the very first day of my journey, those who have ever commented on my videos, those who gave me your feedback. That is the utmost thing that I require. Those who have liked my videos and also those who gave me subscription. All of these things are really valuable to me. I just want to tell you that you guys are really close to my heart, and this platform has become one of my favorite platform because I started just for my college students, okay, so that they will be going to the exam. Before the exam they will just see my video and they will just revise the subject. But actually what happened, these videos got a huge response that I never ever imagined, and then I started working upon different playlists, and today, because of just your support, because of your love and blessings, I have over 340 videos for you guys, and we have a lot of playlists like antenna and wave propagation. That is really close to my heart and that I started in the beginning. After that I worked upon digital communication, probability statistics, information theory coding, wireless communication, let me think, EMFT and VLSI technology, and maybe I'm missing some. So all of these playlists are available. You can go and check them out if you are new on my channel. I am Vaishali Kikant. Let's know at least each other, and you will be getting a lot of notes also. All of these videos are having the video lecture notes, and you will be going to the description box and there you will be finding out all of the notes also. So I think you will be finding out me on various other social media sites as well. If you ever want to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, and you can reach out to me. We can have a conversation, and if you feel that I am unable to reply to you, I am really sorry. I get a lot of requests, I'll get a lot of mails. I will try to reach every one of you and I will try to reply each one of you. So I hope you will be connecting with me. One more thing that I want to announce today is that I will be starting some videos in Hindi as well. Some of the students were very curious to learn in Hindi because they were unable to learn in English. So I am starting with the first ever playlist, that was antenna and wave propagation in Hindi itself, from tomorrow. So I hope you will be connecting with me on that playlist as well if you are comfortable in Hindi. So, and please give me your feedback as well. This is the only thing that is making me do more and more. So thank you so much for all of your support. Because of you guys I am here, because of you guys I will be there, okay. In the next year itself I want to come again. Next year on the same date I want to thank you guys again. So I hope you will be staying with me in this journey till the next year as well. Thank you so much, and I hope I will be contributing a lot from my sides, and I hope you will be keep on giving me your love, your support, your blessing, your comment, your subscription, everything that I received till now, and I hope I will be keep on getting it. I hope now also you will be going to the comment section and you will be writing down whatever you have learned from this channel. Thank you so much.